So I'm just removing some of the hair in the very front of the hairline. This is just going to give it that really soft hairline. I know it's probably looking a little bald right now. That's only because we still haven't plucked anything else. Once everything else is plucked, it's all going to blend very well. So I'm going to keep going in, and I'm only really plucking the dark knots. I'm not trying to pluck any of like the really good bleach knots, just the dark ones mainly, because this hair looks pretty good already. It don't need a ton of plucking. I'm praying that it caught this one on camera because my freaking phone started saying memory card error. Like, I don't know. I mean, my camera started saying memory card error out of nowhere. So I'm just praying that it caught it. We're going to comb most of that back. We're going to swoop this one upward. You can definitely always add more baby hair if you want. I personally don't like a lot of baby hair, so I'm not doing a ton of it. Don't be in a rush with your baby hair because you don't know. I don't know how I want mine to look until I lay it. So take your time with it. Just like that. You can go ahead and cut this one. I think I want a little more thickness in it. There we go. We're gonna cut that one, same direction. And it's because it gets shorter as it gets to the top if you comb away, comb against it, I mean. All right, now for the last part. Of course, my super supportive husband is in here with me because I'm a big pouty baby and I like him with me at all times. Y'all probably gonna be like, he always with you, because I just love him. I probably love him too much, but it's okay. All right. This is the last one on this side. You are cracking up. What are you watching? What are you watching?
This one is funny videos.
I'm gonna cut this part here because I kind of want it to like hang. Just like that. I just want it to be short. Look how good the baby hair look. What?
Okay. It's really nice.
Thank you. I'm getting better at the baby hair, y'all. I'm practicing as we go. I mean, this is like, I really don't do baby hair as often as I used to, so I stopped, so I didn't get like super great at it. And now it's like, okay. I'm starting to love this baby hair look more. I didn't used to do mine like this, so I'm starting to love this look right here. To make you guys' life easier, I would recommend y'all get this edge brush and comb. I freaking thought I lost mine. I couldn't find it. I bought two and I couldn't find the second one. And I know the first one is like really dirty because my mom's been using it. But lo and behold, I just went in the closet to look for my wraps and found it. All right, let's go ahead and wrap this down and then let it dry, and then we'll be back with how the edges look. This is Rapid Styling Strips. I got them from Sally's. We just tighten this down. Well, I'm just tightening this down to that. Go ahead, let go. And then we are finished. We're gonna let this dry, and then we'll come back with how it looks. All right, so we're done. Let's go ahead and take this off. I'm just gonna pull it off from the back. And it looks like this. And it's good because you don't want your edges to look glued down, so leaves them nice and soft. They're still a little wet. I could have left it on there just a little longer, but it's okay. I am getting quite a bit of shedding out of this wig. This is all the shedding I got out of that wig just now, running my fingers through it. All right, babe, so here it is. Here's the finished look. She is done. I remembered that I don't wear my part on the left side. I never have, so I don't know what made me do that just now. So I went ahead and I changed my part to my right side. Did I finesse the baby hair? And that's it, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on, and then we'll come back. And then I'll post some pictures in it on Instagram. But I hope y'all enjoyed this. I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.